What's up, guys? We're here with Dominic again, and we're just going to go over some specific details on going over a basic tripod sweep. All right? So we're going to be in a situation where we are in an outside del Hiva situation. We want to go in for a tripod sweep. Okay, the basic tripod sweep is we just take a foot to our partner's hip, we catch behind our partner's knee, and we knock our partner down. Okay? Understand that there is one detail which will make or break your ability to put your partner's butt to the floor on the tripod sweep. And that simple detail, which is often overlooked, is what I'm going to look to do with my partner's leg that I have control of with my hand. Okay, so his right leg from here. From this position, as I go to start knocking my partner down, the key detail I'm looking for is to elevate my partner's foot off the floor with my left hand. So right from here, as I start to push with my left foot, I just take my partner's foot off the ground by pulling it towards my buttocks, like so. So now when he goes to hop, he only has one foot that he has the base of support with. And now right from here, we can go in, we can tuck a leg, we can go into our partner's legs, we can heist up, we can do all kinds of things from here. But the big mistake that everyone makes is they don't elevate the foot. So from here, when I gotta push my partner back, he hops, 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 and now from here I can't knock him down, or he hops, 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 then he V-grips my ankle, he steps his second leg out, and now he's out and away. So the whole thing is I wanna put him from 2 feet on the floor to 1 foot on the floor. And I just lift this leg off the ground like so. So now when he goes to hop, he only has one base of support and 1 foot to hop on. And that makes it easy now for me to go in and go into all of my attacks from here. So we're going for tripod sweeps. We just put the emphasis on getting this near side foot off the floor here. If I try to knock him down, you can do it, but it's gonna be a lot harder because now he has 2 feet to base on, and he can start giving me trouble. So the whole thing is, we just take this foot off the ground here. Now when he goes to hop, it's a pretty easy thing to make my adjustments, come on top, and get the win.